the gift you gave. Gentle hand, so strong and brave. Through sleepless nights and working days, you showed me love in quiet ways. Not seeking praise, you stood so tall. You gave your life to give your all. A father like you, Lord, how could I ask for more? You carried our burdens, though your back was sore. With every small kindness and all you'd been through, thank you, dear God, for a father like you. You taught me faith without a word, but how you live, your voice was heard. You gave without asking, you prayed through the pain, trusting your grace again and again. Your joy was seeing us rise. You held our tears, wiped our cries. A father like you, Lord, how could I ask for more? You carried our burdens, though your back was sore. With every small kindness and all you've been through, thank you, dear God, for a father like you. Someday I hope my life will show the love you gave, the seeds you sowed. And if I'm strong, it's thanks to you, a mirror of your love within. A father like you, Lord, a gift from above. A heart full of patience, a life full of love. No crown, no